Add 225-gram Oreo cookies. Crush them up finely. Pour into a bowl. Add a 1/4 cup melted, unsalted butter. Mix until combined. Pour into an 8-inch tin. Spread evenly. Press down firmly and refrigerate for 30 minutes. Cream cheese 200 gram. Vanilla essence 1 teaspoon. Whisk until smooth. Add 3/4 cup of whipping cream. Whisk until stiff peaks form.
3, 2, 1, go!
Chocolate pudding 3/4 cup. Whisk until well combined. Pour 3/4 of the cream cheese mixture onto the biscuit base. Smooth it out and refrigerate for 4 hours. Once set, pour chocolate ganache over and refrigerate for 4 hours. Pipe on the remaining cream cheese mixture. Enjoy!